Setting up online payments in Practice Better might seem like a hassle, but once you know the steps, it's actually pretty straightforward. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up online payments in Practice Better so you can start receiving payments from clients in no time. Stick around to the end because I'll also be sharing an amazing alternative that might be a better fit for your business. Let's dive in. First thing, you'll need to have an account in Practice Better. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and create an account, then log in. Once you're inside, navigate to your settings, which is where most of the magic happens. This is where you'll find everything you need to set up your payments. Next, go to the Payment Settings section. You'll see options to integrate with payment processors like Stripe or PayPal. This is where Practice Better shines by allowing you to connect with some of the most popular payment systems around. Stripe is great for accepting credit card payments, and PayPal is an excellent choice if you prefer working with clients who already use it for their transactions. Now, once you've selected your payment processor, you'll need to link it to Practice Better. To do this, simply click on the Connect button next to your chosen processor and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll either be asked to log in to your Stripe or PayPal account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Once it's connected, Practice Better will handle the rest and allow you to start accepting payments instantly. Next thing, let's set up your billing preferences. Under the Payment Settings, you'll see a section for Billing Information. Here, you can choose to either charge clients one-time fees or set up recurring billing if you're offering subscription-based services. Recurring payments are great for coaches and consultants who offer monthly programs, as they save time and make the process more automated. The fourth thing you'll need to do is set up your session pricing. Go to your Services tab, and here you'll be able to set the price for each service you offer. You can set it as a one-time fee or even create packages if you're offering multiple sessions together. Once that's done, clients will be able to see the price when booking, and Practice Better will automatically charge them when the appointment is confirmed. Now, let's talk about invoicing. Practice Better makes invoicing a breeze. You can easily send invoices directly from the platform once a payment is made, or if you want to charge later, the system will automatically create the invoice for you. This helps keep everything organized in one place, reducing the headache of chasing down payments. Once your payment system is set up and ready to go, you can customize your client's experience even more. You'll be able to set up reminders, automatically charge clients for missed appointments, and even offer discounts or coupon codes if you want to run special promotions. Now, before you go, I need to mention something important. Practice Better's payment system is solid, but it can feel a little limited in some areas, especially when it comes to features like payment flexibility or advanced invoicing. While it works well for basic needs, if you're looking for something more robust, I've got an alternative for you. Through our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial and the best deal for Practice Better, but I also highly recommend checking out Insert Competitor Name. Their payment system offers more flexibility, more customization options, and they specialize in working with businesses looking for seamless integrations. Plus, they have a free trial so you can test it out risk-free. That's it for today's tutorial. Make sure to click the link below for an exclusive trial and some incredible alternatives that could be a better fit for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.